Barry from Buzzman Awning here. Remote control operation of your Buzzman Retractable Awning, specifically if you have a multi-channel remote like this one. You might have a Buzzman Retractable Awning with LED lights that needs more than one channel. It needs two channels. One channel for the awning, for the motor, and another channel for the LED lights. Or maybe you also have more than one Buzzman Retractable Awning and you have one multi-channel remote. Let's go ahead and show you how to do this. This particular Buzzman Retractable Awning is one retractable awning with LED lights. You'll notice the bottom button is the channel selector button. That's going to go channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, and then channel 5. Let's go back to 1. For this Buzzman Retractable Awning, channel 1 is actually the awning motor operation. The up arrow button retracts the awning in. The My button, which is that middle button, yours may or may not say My, but the middle button actually stops the awning anywhere between full retraction and full extension. Okay, the bottom down arrow button extends the awning out. It'll extend out to its furthest extension point, the maximum projection, the maximum extension, and it will stop. Okay, if you go ahead and change the channel selector button to another channel, you're going to want to try to find the LED lights channel. In this awning, this is channel 2. The up arrow button turns the LED lights on to full brightness, very bright. The bottom arrow button actually, and you let go, shuts them off. Let's go ahead and turn them on again with the up arrow button. Now I want to dim them. You hit the down arrow button and you hold it, and you'll notice the lights are dimming. And they can actually dim to off. Another really neat feature of the Somfy LED lights is you can actually have your own favorite brightness setting with the LED lights. Let me show you how to do that. So right now I have the LED lights on to full brightness. I just hit the up arrow button. It goes to full brightness. If I want to dim them down and then set that as my favorite setting, I'm going to go ahead and hold the down arrow button and it starts dimming down. I'll stop it. Then I will hit and hold the middle button, the My button, and then you will see the LED lights go off and then go back on. Watch. Holding it down. They went off and they went back on. They blinked. Now that is a favorite setting or a dimness or brightness setting of your LED lights. Let's go ahead and turn them off and I'll show you. Now, to turn them on to that favorite brightness setting, just hit the My button once and let go. You'll see it's about half dim or half brightness. When I hit the up arrow button, it's going to go to full brightness. Full brightness, and now your favorite brightness setting. Okay? Pretty cool, huh?